time to tone it up.
I believe in you. Good job.
Thanks for joining us.
Hi, I'm Tone It Up trainer Steph, and these are my favorite post-run stretches. Do these stretches after any TIU cardio routine or lower body strength workout. Make sure to hold each stretch for 20 to 30 seconds. This will aid in your recovery and get you ready to hit the next workout. Let's go. Begin standing with a quad stretch. Pull the heel in to meet the glute, find your balance, and then contract the quad for an extra deep stretch. And switch sides. And coming down to the mat, we're gonna go into a half moon stretch. One leg goes in front, bend the knee, place the top of the foot down to the mat. Now slide forward, leaning into the front knee and extending through the back hip. Now reach overhead for that full body stretch. From here, we're gonna straighten the front knee, slide the hips back into a half split. Now reach for the ground, but don't feel like you have to touch the ground. Make sure you're keeping a flat back instead. If you have a block or a textbook at home, this is a great tool to use in this stretch. And switch sides. Half moon, reach up. And half splits, slide all the way back in front and straighten that front knee. Now, come on to all fours. We're gonna press back into a downward facing dog, nice wide palms. Send the hips back and up, begin to pedal out the feet, feel the calf stretch. Now lift the right heel, drive the knee through for a half pigeon stretch. Place the top of the back foot down on the mat and prop yourself up until you loosen into that front hip. Switch sides, pass through down dog. Pedal out your feet. Now the opposite leg drives forward and through. Now press back into that downward dog one more time and slide forward to a child's pose. Forehead goes down to the mat, wide knees, toes touch. Now pick up the right arm. You're gonna thread the needle by tucking one arm to the side and resting your forehead down. You should feel a nice stretch through the delt or the shoulder. And switch sides, reach up, place down, lift the opposite arm and thread the needle. Nice job, reach all the way up, slide forward. Now this is your bonus stretch. This is really helpful for a lot of us runners with flat feet or tight calves. I'm going to sit back on my heels and tuck my toes under. They should feel like they're being squeezed down to the mat. And I'm just gonna stay here. Sit up tall. Download the Tone It Up app for so many incredible cardio and HIIT workouts you can do right at home.